Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. Welcome to another Scribble Art Sunday. In today's video, I'm going to be scribbling a Stormtrooper from the Star Wars movies. Hey guys, thanks a lot for joining me in today's Scribble Art Sunday. I hope you've all had a fantastic Christmas. I had a lovely time. I thought I'd do a Stormtrooper. It's something that I've loved drawing in the past. I love the Star Wars series, and I've done a couple of Stormtroopers, a couple with pencil and some Copic marker Stormtroopers before, but I thought that I'd give this one a try with the Scribble art. So as always, I'm using just a standard black biro pen. It's a black ballpoint pen, and I'm going into the darkest areas. Now with the Scribble art, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get a sense of the darkest areas by tightening up the scribbles, and then in the lighter areas, as you'll see as this drawing starts to develop, in the whiter areas we're not going to leave it completely blank. What I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen up the scribbles, leaving more of the white paper coming through the scribbles, and this just gives you a really nice effect. Now I would definitely say that the Stormtroopers are my favourite Star Wars characters. I love drawing them, and I've sort of been obsessed with them since I was a child. Obviously Darth Vader comes a very close second, but I'd just like to know, who's your favourite Star Wars character and why? I hope you guys are enjoying Scribble Art Sunday as much as I am. I'm really enjoying doing these drawings. If you've got any requests or something you'd like me to have a go at, then don't forget, leave me a comment down below. You can also get hold of me on social media. The links to all of my social platforms are down below in the description. It'd be really great to connect with you on those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you're enjoying this type of art. I also do art tutorials, fan art, Copic marker work and realistic pencil drawings. So if you've got anything you'd like me to have a go at or cover, don't be shy, leave me a comment down below. Get hold of me, like I said, on all of the social media platforms. I'm having a blast with this Scribble art. I've done a Darth Vader as well, so that should be dropping hopefully next week, so make sure you check that out. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and like I've said before, if you're enjoying this channel, why not consider subscribing? I'm having a blast with it. Channel's seeing some really great growth, particularly over the Christmas period. I've seen a lot of new subscribers, so hello to you guys that have recently subscribed. Thank you so much for that. I do appreciate all of the likes, subscribes, shares, comments. Any feedback is more than welcome. Thanks so much for watching the video. I'm going to leave you with my final Stormtrooper Scribble art. There it is, guys. Thanks once again. I hope you all have a fantastic new year. See you next week. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.